SportChek is Canada's largest sports store. We found 80% of the customers of SportChek are under the age of 40. All digital, they're incredibly savvy. If we're going to be consistent with customers who love digital, who want to be inspired by sport, we have to bring life and excitement and video and audio and experience into the store. We literally said we're going to need screens, lots of screens. And there's no doubt that the hottest brand in the market then and now is and was Samsung.
We are excited to be working with SportChek in this very innovative project. What you see today is the future of retail. This project couldn't have been achieved without the work of our partners.
At Infusion, we're thrilled to work with Samsung in creating a digital retail experience for SportChek. The technology provides new ways to draw customers into the store, get them excited, get them engaged, have them spend more time in the SportChek store.
As the community manager, my focus is connecting with customers. When a customer comes into the store, I'm able to speak knowledgeably about our community and products through Samsung's touchscreen.
This is the spirit of collaboration, positive impact on sales, customers engaging with the brand, and customers having a very positive perception of the brand.
Nobody has done this anywhere in North America in a retail environment. The sales are off the hook, the feedback is off the hook because it's unlike any other retail store that anyone shops at in North America. And that's going to be the power of what Samsung is offering to us.